I got my curtains up over there. The only thing I'm afraid of is this hook that holds it right here. When the pop-up goes down, I'm afraid that this hook here that holds the curtain rod is going to hit on this. And if that's the case, then I sewed my curtains too short. Yeah. But anyway, so there they are. Just, ouch, sort of blocks off the bathroom a little bit. But like I said, I travel alone, so it doesn't matter. And then I got one of my little pictures up. Had that one in the Trail Manor and in the motorhome. Got my bed made, and I can guarantee you this is going to be the only time you will see this bed made this good. Why do RV beds have to be so hard to make? Anyway, I ordered these new sheets. They are extra heavy cotton flannel. I got to get my pillows out here. But nice and cozy. Oh, and then I got a 4-inch or 3-inch lucid mattress topper for it. And it's, well, you can't see it. It's, I don't know, let's see. Yeah, it's really cozy. I think I'm going to have to cut off about 4 inches because it's too big. But, oh well, I can do that another day, another time. Anyway, and then of course you've seen this area all set up, so it's good to go. So, yeah, I'll never make that bed that good again. So the plan, I take the truck in Monday to have it serviced. I take this trailer in Tuesday to have it serviced, as far as checking the brakes, the tires, the wheel bearings, all that kind of stuff. And then they couldn't get me in to do the trailer until Tuesday at 1 o'clock. So I'll probably start heading north to Klamath Falls first. I'll leave Tuesday, maybe Wednesday morning. So that's the plan. Keep your fingers crossed that nothing goes wrong between now and then. And keep your fingers crossed that I don't have the same kind of problems with my truck or anything else that I had on my last trip. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, 1 year, because this is the month I started my 3-month trip in my Trail Manor. Anyway, so that's the plan. I'm looking at hopefully getting out of here on Wednesday. I'm very excited. Very excited. I still have to put that wallpaper stuff that's back here on the door, but I'll do that on the road. I have put the camper up and down by myself, and so much easier than the Trail Manor. I mean, don't get me wrong, I miss my Trail Manor. You know, I put a lot into that thing, but this one I think is going to be better for me in the long run. I still want to put some kind of curtain thing up over that bed, just kind of a little divider, but I haven't got there yet. What else is going on? I can't think of a thing. Air conditioner works great. I do have a microwave in the cubby down there, but I think I'm just going to yank it out and hope that I get an air fryer for Christmas or my birthday, one of the two. Just a small one, very small. I don't think I need a microwave. I can take stuff out to defrost it if I need it defrosted. I don't think I need a microwave. So I'm going to have somebody come over and take that puppy out, and then I'll use that cupboard for, I may use it for pots and pans because it's kind of a big cupboard. Let me show you. It's that one right there. Kind of a big cupboard. I may put a shelf in there and use it for canned foods, because right now I've got my pots and pans down on the bottom of that under the sink. But yeah, I've got a stove top I've got an Instapot. I've got an oven. I'll have a barbecue. I just don't see a real need for a microwave, so I'm gonna ditch it. I still gotta get a different carpet in here. This one would be okay if it wasn't filthy and if it matched. Well, it does match, I guess. It's got the kind of teal color in it, but it's so worn out. So eventually I want to get a new carpet in here. Not that I need it. But anyway, so that's the plan. Hopefully, cross your fingers, prayers, well wishes, whatever you do, that no problems arise between now and Wednesday, and no problems come up while I'm on my trip. Anyway, alright, so that's it. Curtains look pretty good. Won't hear me complaining. Not bad. Anyway, I've got my little thingy hung up there. The wind chimes. I think my mom got me those. And this guy's gonna, its home is right here. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Alright, I'm going back in the house and I'm gonna probably box up some foods. Bring them out here Wednesday night, or Tuesday night when I get back from taking this thing, tires and wheels and bearings checked, and I'm pretty much done. Just gotta wait for those 2 appointments and I'm gone. I'm so excited. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.